We are going to start today's webinar. This is going to be our part one, lightweighting. And today what we are going to discuss or sharing is a foaming technology. I go by Casey. I'm a support application engineer in Modex 3D. Before I start today's webinar, please keep your microphone muted. And then if you have any questions, please use the chat sections. If you would like to get a recording, please fill out the survey and then you will get a copy of today's presentation. Today we are going to talk about like physical, such as mucil, chemical, CBA, chemical blow agent, and chemical PU forming process. And then we will share the case study such as a mucil validation or PU validation. The main focus will be on the CBA, chemical blow agent forming. So for the gate blow agents, the gas produced by phase change. So basically there's an organic or inorganic. For the CBA chemical blow agent, the gas was produced by thermal decomposition. Okay. And then like inside Model 3D, we are able to simulate such as a mucil or CBA forming. And then in PU chemical forming, it's going to be our chemical forming modules. And the challenges for the forming process is very difficult to process. There are two challenges because during the injection molding process, the pressure is going to keep the cell or bubble forming, which is they are competing between pressure versus a forming process. And that is the key. We are helping the press industry to try to understanding the pressure, the bubble or cell size or density in order to have a good parts. The first case we are going to share with everyone is a mucil physical forming. Okay, so this is the runner, and you can see the material start to flow from top and through the gates into the cavity. And then this shows you how the material gonna flow. And then in the simulation result, you will be able to see the cell size or cell density